So discuss very important one. So how to check any video revenue? So I'm searching for any type of video revenues. First I'm going for trending video. So this video I'm selecting here. This video will be 2.3 million views. This video, how much revenue will be showing on particular channel? Select your channel ID. This will be showing for two options. One is called Tube Calculator. Second will be Influence Marketing Hub. Select the URL and click for search. So they give me here. Sometime accept by the ID, sometime accept by the URL. So ID not accepted, you copy the total URL. Number of total video views, how many? 2 millions. The revenue for $4, $4,370. This views will be same like 2 million of views. When increase the 3 lakhs, 3 millions, the going to revenue will be show this one. If you show any website for particular video, same revenue will be displayed. Is exactly views. How much? 23 lakhs 62,317. What is the revenue? $4,370. Here 2 million. This give the exactly views with your earning of dollars. This will be estimated revenue on particular video. Maybe more than $10 or less than $10. This will be checked any kind of video for revenue purpose. So I'm searching by one more video. Copy. I did not check any views. I'll check first of all this option is correct or not is given. Select it. How many views? 21 lakhs 15,552. We'll check here. 21 lakhs 15,552. Is that correct? How many of dollars? 3,180. So this is your dollars. This is your views. The view will be on a particular channel. So based on the views, they give you estimated revenue on your particular channel videos. They're showing for which one? Tube Calculator and Influence Marketing